my name is Dea Alanu Sabrina and I will give my opinion about smoking in the campus area. In my opinion, I think smoking shouldn't be allowed on campus. Campus is a place to study and hang out, not a place to breathe cigarette smoke. It's really uncomfortable when people smoke near others, especially for those who don't like the smell. Besides, smoking is bad for health, not only for the smokers but also for people around them. It also makes the environment dirty because of the cigarette butts everywhere. I think the best way is to have a special smoking area far from classroom or public spots. That way, smokers still have their space, but everyone else can enjoy clean air. So yeah, in short, smoking on campus is better not allowed or at least limited to special place. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dea Alianur Sabrina. My student ID number is 63251528 and I will do a presentation about question word. Question words are used to ask for specific information, not just yes or no. They help us find out about people, things, time, place, reason, and manner. For example, what is your name? Where do you live? Or who is beautiful girl over there? Why we use question word? We use question word to get detailed answer, show curiosity, continue a conversation, and learn new information. And this is the table of the main question word. As we can see, the main question word is who, what, where, when, why, and how. For more details, who in question is used to ask about people. For example, who is your best friend? Who teaches you English? Not who can be subject or object. And then, what? What in question used to ask about things or action. For example, what do you eat for breakfast? What is your favorite movie? Or what happened yesterday? And then, when in question. When used to ask about time. For example, when is your exam? When do you go to bed? Use when the answer is a time expression. And where? Where in question used to ask about place or location. For example, where do you live? Where is my book? Answer is usually a place. And why? Why in question used to ask for a reason. For example, why are you crying? Why do we study English? Answer often uses because. And the last one, how? How in question used to ask about the way or manner something happened. For example, how do you get to school? How are you today? Or how can I help you? And this is the table of how plus expression. Expression how old have the meaning of age. For example, how old are you? Expression how much have the meaning of price or amount. For example, how much money do you have? And others. And this is structure of WH question basic version. Question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus object if you need. For example, what do you like? Where is he going? When did they arrive? And this is structure notes. Use do, does, did for most tense. If the question word is subject, no auxiliary is used. For example, who broke the glass? And this is the table of verb tense in question. Tense, present simple. Example question, what do you eat? Tense, past simple. Example question, What did you eat? Tense, present continuous. Example question, what are you eating? Tense, future. Example question is, what will you eat tomorrow? Tense, present perfect. Example question, how long have you lived here? Tense, past perfect. Example question, what had you done before you slept? Tense, future perfect. Example question, how many books will you have read by next year? Tense, future continuous. Example question is, where will you be staying next week? WH question, what fruit do you like? The answer is, I like apples. Common mistake. Where you live? That's wrong. The correct question is, where do you live? And what you are doing? That's wrong again. The correct question is, what are you doing? Indirect question. Used for polite or formal situation. For example, could you tell me where the bank is? Or do you know what time it is? Difference in tone. Direct question. Where is the library? Indirect question. Can you tell me where the library is? Not indirect is more polite. And this is conversation example. Who is your favorite singer? Taylor Swift. Why do you like her? Because her songs are meaningful. When did you start listening to her? 2 years ago. Okay, the last slide I have a quote. Asking the right question helps you find the right answer. That's my presentation about question word. I hope you enjoy and understand it. I apologize if there are many wrong words in this presentation. Thank you for learning.